So if you're actually building any web app currently and you actually want to make it live on a website, you have to watch this video. It's very, very important. So let's assume that you actually have a landing page just like this, or any web app. You actually have intention of actually making it live. There are different options that's available for you. So, but most of them are very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. So obviously, if you want to make it live, the first thing is to connect your database to Supabase. If you actually have a backend for your web app, you are going to connect it to GitHub to actually make it, publish it to other third-party hosting. So but this is where the thing actually get complicated. So I'm going to actually compare the hosting for all the three platforms that I think you can actually deploy your web app, and see which one is going to be the best fit for you, and how you can actually save money in the long run. Maybe you actually targeting like 5 or 3 years for this project, how you can actually save money upfront to avoid being locked up on a platform. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you the first hosting that I'm going to be showing you. So the first one is actually called Netlify. So Netlify is one of the best in the market. If you have any web app you actually want to publish online, so it's very, very simple and very straightforward. So, and they actually have a free and starter plan which is free, and this particular one allows you to actually publish your website. You are going to have up to like a 300 build minutes. That build minute means whenever you make any prompt and you make any change to this web app, it's going to automatically show on your website, since it has been connected to your GitHub and also to Lovable. So this is one of the best options if you're actually starting out. And one of the advantages is the fact that with this particular hosting, if you are on the free plan, you can be able to monetize your website. If you actually want to display anything on your website, maybe Google AdSense, display ad, or any ad on your website, though that's the one of the advantage. But they actually have a pro plan which is very popular and which almost every web developer actually use. So, and this particular one is going to be charging you $19 every month, like every single month. You use up to the limit, you don't use up to the limit, you are going to be charged $19. And if you have a project that actually require you to have more customization, so you might actually need to subscribe for their custom plan, which is most of the time is for those big tech company. So the second one that I actually want to review is actually called Vercel. So let me show you the another one that you can actually deploy your web app to and start making it live. So this particular one, I don't really like the fact that they don't allow you to monetize your website straight off with their free plan. So they actually offer free plan, and you can actually import your repo from GitHub instantly, and it's going to be showing on your website instantly. They actually offer DSS attack or mitigation, so, and traffic start and different things. So but one of the disadvantages, they don't allow you to monetize your website. So for the time you're actually using that free plan, you cannot actually display any ad on your website. So that's one of the pros of this particular Vercel plan. And the pro plan actually is going to cost you $20 every single month, which is going to give you a lot of customization. You can be able to accept different traffic from different way, and you actually going to have email support that are going to actually help you out whenever your server go down or you have issue with your website. And for the enterprise, if you actually have a big project that require you to have more build time, they actually require you to have more traffic, you can actually get their enterprise price. So I don't really think those two options are a great option for someone that actually want to have a long time project. Maybe you are thinking of, okay, I want to build a web app that might actually stand for maybe 5 years, 6 years. So if you should calculate $20 for the Vercel, or for Netlify, which is $19 for Netlify, which is going to accumulate to like 1,000 or 2,000 depending on the year you actually want to maintain the website. So that is why I've been thinking, okay, what is going to be the best alternative to Netlify and Vercel? So if you're actually looking towards of actually achieving saving money up front, you know, like you're not going to be paying money or every month for any hosting, so I will actually recommend this particular hosting, which is called Hostinger. So this is where the thing actually gets most interesting. So as you can see, this is the pricing for Hostinger. With the basic plan, which is the payment plan, you can actually get their hosting plan, which is about $2.2 like $3 every month, compared to Netlify. Netlify is going to charge you, they are going to charge you $19 every month. Vercel is going to charge you $20 every month. But Hostinger is going to actually give you their hosting for just $9.99 every month. And if you're actually subscribing, you are going to, if you are subscribing for their full month, like a month, you are going to get 3 months for free. So that's one of the great advantage. And they actually have this particular AI web builder that we actually look at here, which is the features that this particular web app actually offer, which is Lovable. So you can actually build your website with AI. So, and you can actually connect it to database like a Superbase and actually connect it to GitHub. So I will actually recommend you should choose any of this particular package. So if you actually want to get started, all you have to do is to choose this their business package, because it actually allow you to host multiple websites, like 6 or 7 websites on a go. So all you have to do is to click on choose a plan. I'm going to drop the link to Hostinger inside the video description. So you choose a plan, you buy the hosting. Then when you buy the hosting, if you are building with Lovable or Bold.new, you can actually import your product to GitHub and actually upload it directly to Hostinger, and your website is going to be live. So as you can see, if you're actually buying for 48 months, you are going to be paying just $3.79 every month, and the total amount is going to be around $189. So I have a coupon code for you also. So I'm going to drop the coupon code or the link directly to this coupon code inside the video description for you to try them out. So let's calculate the amount you are going to save upfront. So for the 4 years, we are just going to be paying $181 for 4 years, compared to we paying $20 every single month. So let's do the calculation online calculator. I see how much you are going to save if you are actually using Hostinger for online calculator. So let me show you how much you are going to save if you are actually using Hostinger. So let's assume that you are paying $20 every month. 20 times 12. So for a year, we are going to be paying over $240 for every single year. And if you are going to maintain the web app for like 4 years, like let's say times 4, so we are going to be paying over $960 for hosting alone. So you know, sometimes our websites or our businesses might not even make profit in the first year or in the first 2 months. So at least we getting Hostinger will actually allow us to save money upfront when we actually hoping that this particular web app will be perform very well. It will make money at the long run. I hope you actually like this video. If you do, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'll be able to make videos just like this for you guys to actually learn how to do web app, how to build, and how to make money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.